Hello everyone and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we're going to be giving you an easy to follow, step-by-step guide on how to master affiliate marketing using YouTube automation. If you've ever researched how to make money online, you'll know that affiliate marketing has made people hundreds of dollars a day and tens of thousands a month. It is one of the simplest and most profitable income streams for beginners. Now, with YouTube automation techniques, it's even easier to maximize your profit potential with affiliate marketing. To put it simply, affiliate marketing is a way to make money from commissions, which are based on sales that you closed from promoting certain products or services. Businesses are willing to pay you large sums of money to help market their products to your audience, meaning that when they profit, you profit. YouTube automators have been using affiliate marketing to make money off of YouTube for years, and it's one of the most effective methods that you have for capitalizing off of your channel. The best part is that this is a guaranteed way to make money that doesn't require you to have hundreds of thousands of followers. As long as your video can communicate the value of the product or service to those watching, you're likely able to convert them into a sale. Major merchants like Amazon, Rakuten, eBay all have their own affiliate marketing programs that you can take advantage of. The best part of working with these name brands is their brand image and positive reputation already sells itself, meaning less work for you to try and convince people to buy something. These companies have already communicated their value to consumers time and time again. So all you need to do is just give that little extra push and you'll see great sales conversions. However, these programs usually have a bit of a lower commission rate, ranging from 0.5% to up to 5%, depending on what the product or service is. If you're looking for a higher commission rate that might require a little more legwork in terms of marketing, then high-ticket affiliate marketing is for you. High-ticket affiliate marketing is a type of affiliate marketing that generates higher commissions per sale, meaning that you can do less sales for more money. High-ticket products are items such as electronics, marketing programs, software programs, and jewelry. Essentially, pricier items that come at a higher cost to consumers. As opposed to selling a $30 off Amazon, you could be selling a course for $5,000. These items are much harder to sell, but if you do, you will benefit greatly from the high commission that you'll make, and one sale of a high-ticket item can be worth dozens of other affiliate marketing sales. If you're looking to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer, some of the best programs to join are Shopify, HubSpot, Fiverr, WP Engine, Amazing Selling Machine, Liquid Web, and BlockFi. Now that you know a bit more about affiliate marketing, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. The good part about picking a niche for affiliate marketing is that the CPM isn't the most important factor. In fact, you could pick almost any channel niche and still be able to affiliate market products and services. If you don't have any ideas yet, there are some common and proven to be successful niches for affiliate marketers. Business, finance/investing, personal finance, money making, cryptocurrency, product reviews, tech reviews, education, luxury, health and wellness, lifestyle, travel, fashion, and beauty. With any of those niches that we listed, you can easily find natural and compelling ways to integrate affiliate marketing links into your content. Sign up for an affiliate marketing/partner program. Depending on the nature of your niche, you'll need to sign up for various different affiliate marketing or partner programs. These vary depending on what sort of channel you have, but common ones that are applicable to most niches are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Giddyup, as they act as marketplace programs that offer a wide variety of different products and services in different industries. If you create a business, finance, personal finance, health and wellness, money making, or crypto channel, these are niches that can be useful for prospective high-ticket affiliate marketers, as you will be able to sell courses, programs, and services that have higher price points as opposed to products. For other niches, especially product review channels, formats such as top 10 lists are highly effective in generating sales conversions because viewers search for these videos with the intention of purchasing an item that they need. If you're able to show off all the features of the product, you won't have to do too much work in convincing them to buy, meaning that that's guaranteed money in your pocket. Create your video. With YouTube automation, this step becomes fairly easy. Sourcing copyright-free stock images and videos from sites like Unsplash and Pexels, you can upload these media files into AI programs such as Synthesia, Pictory, or vidIQ to edit your videos using pre-made templates. As for voiceover, you could do it yourself for free or hire a freelance voiceover specialist off of Fiverr for as low as $5. You could also use voiceover AI like Lovo or Murph AI for realistic sounding voiceovers that are free. Make an effective CTA call to action. Once you have gathered all your links, it's time to create an effective CTA. Depending on your niche, you can find unique and persuasive ways to implement your products into your videos. It is imperative to make sure that you always have every product or service that you talk about linked in the description box for viewers to easily access. For example, if you're a faceless business channel that talks about the success stories of entrepreneurs, you can implement CTAs for courses or education programs that correspond to topics within your video. Let's say that you're making a video about how Steve Jobs was able to market Apple into being the most successful phone company in the technology industry, despite having product capabilities that fall below competitors. This would be a great time to implement a CTA to a digital marketing course in your description that teaches prospective entrepreneurs the necessary skills to market their products to the masses. This way, you're able to naturally implement your affiliate marketing links into your content in a way that does not derail from the storytelling or the entertainment value of your video. This will make viewers more inclined to purchase because it is a sales and marketing pitch that has showcased the product's value in a real-world scenario. For product review videos, especially in the format of a top 10 list, you can communicate the value of each product's best features and tell viewers what use cases the product can be best for. The nature of these videos is to incentivize purchases anyway, so a direct CTA for viewers either through the voiceover or on-screen text can effectively generate sales. And that's it. Now all you have to do is wait for the money to start rolling in. If you found this video helpful and are looking to start your own affiliate marketing channel, let us know what kind in the comments below. As always, thank you for attending Automation School, and until next time, see you later, Automators.